Hello guys, good evening. Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now? Hope you are getting okay, fine. Thank you. So only two people joined. Okay. So let's wait for another 2 minutes. Okay. So we are done with the operators, right? Arithmetic operator, relational operator, bitwise operator, logical operator, assignment operator. Okay, so this operator not required. Okay, so we're done with the operators. Let me make it this one also done. If a is not equal to b, so we're done with the logical operator. What is your batch? This one, right? April 4th. Assigned operator arithmetic first. All these things are completed. Okay. So as of now, is it clear, guys? So in relational operator, I'll recap this one. So int a is equal 300, int b is equal 300. So these two are local variables. Okay. So in relational operator, what actually we are doing? So less than or equal to like this, we will relate with that operator values. Okay. So now coming to if a not equal to b, so this is a symbol for not equal to b. Actually, what's the condition? Both are same, both are equal. A value and b value both are same. This is a variable value, both are same. Okay. So if a is not equal to b, that means if the first statement is false, then it will go and execute the second statement. That is the thing. We will get output. Let me show you that output. Can you see here? A is equal to b. So this is the statement we received here. Okay. So what is that condition? Not equal to b. So just I'm trying to give you how we will use that if else conditions. So for number comparisons, right? Now coming to string comparisons. String comparisons. So string P is equal to hello, Q is equal to hello. Is it same? Both are same here, guys? No, not same. Why? This is a uppercase letters and this one will be lowercase. So as Java program as a case sensitive, so both letters is a different. That word is same. Hello, hello, both word is same, but the letters are different letters. Okay. Now coming to what is the actual true statement? P is not equal to P. But what is the condition here I'm passing? P is equal to Q. Is it false statement or true statement? Obviously, so this is a false condition. So if this false condition, the control will not go for this one. Okay, so this is not getting executing here. Okay, immediately it will jump to the else one. Now else what is that? P and Q are not equal the first way. So that is the output we are getting here. Right, guys? Now coming to string comparison second way. Case sensitive. Okay, now so this is another way of string comparison. If p dot equals q, that means sys out p and q are not equal for second way. Right, guys? 1 second, sorry, it is equal. If now else one, else sys out p and q are not equal for second way. Okay, so what's happening? Any doubt here? Someone raised hand, I think. I will explain. Okay, fine. So what we are doing here? P dot equals, if anything we were getting, it's a by default methods we will get here. Dot extensions like, okay. Now string comparison in second way. This is a second way. Let's go and execute this one. Right? So this is second way is printing here, right, guys? So if this condition is false, it will go and execute the else one. Okay. Now third way of string comparison. Third way of string comparisons. third way. So here non case sensitive, guys. So here we will ignore case sensitive. Ignore case. Let's check it how it will be. If p dot equals ignore case. Can you see here? Can you see here? This is a method equals ignore case. So what is the third way we are checking? Non case sensitive. So second way case sensitive for string comparison by getting the method equal method. We are using that equal method. So in first way of string comparison also case sensitive, but we are checking now non case sensitive. So that's the reason here getting I am taking this one, right? Now hmm. Sys out p and q are equal for third way. For third way. So if this is a if one, then we'll go for else one. Else sys out p and q are not equal in third way. That's it only, guys. Capture this one. I'll go and execute this one. So this is the output, guys. So in relation operator, capture this one. First take a program and then I will show you console output. Now see the output. It's a very easy one. All these already you know that how to print the statement, how to create the variable, right? And operators also. We have seen that earlier class. So done. Please let me know once you are done with that. I think today we have a India World Cup match, right, guys? T20 India World Cup. Have you seen that? I think India opted ball first. Ireland. Blah, blah. almost 9 wickets they lost, I think. I'm not aware of that latest score. Am I right? Is there anyone cricket fan? Okay, Ireland. Mhm. Okay, now I'll give you some notes here. If else one. Mm, I'll go and I'll create one program here that will work for you guys. If else one, I'll take main method. I'll create one variable here, int a equal to 15. So this one will be local variable, right? Okay. Now if a less than 10, sys out a is less than 10. Okay, so check it. Just I'm giving that some recap here. If a less than 10, what is a value here? A is a variable name and 10 is a variable value. So it is a 15. So is it true or false condition? A is less than 10. Okay, okay. Now let's go and execute. So nothing here, nothing here. If I can make it greater than, I'll show you what should be the output. A is less than 10 is printing here, guys. So that means what happened here, how the control is executing here. That's what we are trying to learn. Okay, I'll show you some notes operator. If statement, if else statement. It is just a condition followed by a statement. If condition and statement here, print statement. The statement gets executed only when the given condition is true. If the condition is false, then the statement inside if statement body are completely ignored, right? The same thing has happened here, guys. See here, a is a greater than 10. So is it true or false? True statement, right? The statement gets executed only when the given condition is true. Okay, so that's the reason it is printing only here. If it is false, okay, now it is not. printing here. Simply it's ignored. That's the same thing here I mentioned here. The condition is false, then the statements inside if statement body are completely ignored. Like this here. X is equal to 10. X is less than 20. So this is a true statement. Okay. So if it is a true, then output will be this is a if statement. This is the output here. Example 2. Write a program to print student result status. Student marks 8. This is some exercise I mentioned here. I will give you the notes that at that time you can practice these exercises. Okay. So very easy one. This is a very easy one. If you know that how we are using in the general grammar part, if we condition. 1 second. Okay. Now second one I'll take. What happened, Ray? Perfect. Okay. Now. So now I'll go with the another program for if else. If else. 2. I'll take main method. I'll finish. Ray. Yes. I'll take main method also. And I'll create int a equal to 10. This one will be local variable. Yes. Okay. So the first one will be if one. If a by 2 equal to 0. Okay. Now sys out result of a is equal to 0, else for this else one there is no condition check here, so else will not consider anything here. Else sys out result of a is not equal to 0. So a by 2 that means 10 by 2 equal to 5 na, 5 na. So it is not true, it is a false one. Okay, so directly it will go and execute this one, right? Right guys, understand what is the a value here? 10. A by 2 means 10 by 2, that will be the 5. 5 equal to 0? No, it is a false one. Right, guys? Then correctly it will go and execute this one. Let me execute. I'll show you the output here. Right? Result of A is not equal to 0. Right, guys? Right? That is the jadoo here. Now, capture this one. Done. Conditional statement. It is easy to check some condition. So what is happening here? Now I'll go with some condition here. That's what we are checking here. Else there is no condition here. Directly it will go and execute when if it is a false one. Okay. Okay, guys. This one also, if else one, take screenshot, capture this one. I'll give 5 seconds. Result. Okay. Now if else two also. Hope you are done with that. Else we don't have any condition check here. Else one not consisting any condition, directly it will go for executable one. So that's the reason result of A is not equal to 0. That's the output we are getting here. That's it only. It's a very easy one, guys. 0. That's it. Oh, 96 all out. Huh? I think India team will can hit within 10 hours after exam. Okay. Now, let me come to here. It is easy to check this condition. All right, go with that. Now, if statement, okay, if else statement, okay. Now, what's the date today here? 05, right? 6 2024. That's it. Guess just I'm asking, just checking. Are you following your videos? Can anyone confirm? Are you following videos? Please respond in chat option where you are following. I hope videos are available in app, right? Guys, please respond. Are you following all the videos? If statement, if else statement, and then we have another one. If else ladder statement. You guys have heard about ladder? If else, if this one. If else, if ladder. Right? So ladder means we are just trying to a step up or step down with a different step of same approach, like different conditions we have. Okay, like step up or step down, we will use that in the same manner. If else if ladder, that means multiple conditions. See, any of your if statement, if you use only one condition, in case of if else one condition, if either if is true or else true, so that means two one, that means two set of conditions we are checking, right? Now the third one, which one we are going to see here, if else ladder here will check more than two conditions. Out of more than conditions, out of only one will be true, or 40 condition or lakhs of condition. Out of entire conditions, only one condition is true. Is it clear? Is it clear? So we'll go and we'll use if else if ladder. If else 3, I'll take main method. Let me finish. We'll create a one class now. Int q equal to 300. This is your local variable, correct? Then int w equal to 400. So this one also your local variable. Array jadu goes. Yes, right? If one condition will have to pass. Okay. If q is less than w. Mhm. Sys out else if q is less than or lesser. So this is called here extension. Whatever you want, you can use. If only one, else if is only one. Q equal to W. Okay, now sys out Q is equal to W. Now else sys out Q is greater than. It will go on, it will print lesser. It is 300. So if the first condition is not true, it will go on check second condition. So it will print q is equal double. For the suppose if it is false, now it will go and execute. Okay, so whatever you are giving the condition, multiple more than two, either 10, 20, 100, lakhs, thousands of, out of that, only one will get true. Okay, now it will go and execute. Let me execute. Q is lesser. Guys, clear? So out of all this, only one is printing here. If else, if ladder. This is about if else, if ladder. If I can make it 200, let's check it another output, how it will print. Q is greater. Okay, what is that? Q is greater. So this one is printing, right, guys? That is the magic. The only true condition is printing here. Guys, it may be easy. You may feel very easy in right now. Definitely you will get confusion if you are not practicing. Okay. So please practice all these example programs. Right? Capture this one. No. Nested if statement. If black inside if black, that's it only. If black inside if black, that is a nested if one. That's the thing we are going to check here. The same thing like box inside the box, that's it. Box inside the box. Okay, like that. Nested if we will check here. If black inside the black, we are going to use. Done. Second. If else statement. Done. Capture this one, guys. Just 1 minute here. I thought you may get some confusion. I'll do one thing, guys. I'll stop here. I'll stop here for the day because you need to understand these things very well. You need to aware of very well. Then only next level of concepts you will get clearly. Without understanding that, maybe some little bit confused. So that's the reason I'll stop here for the day. So please practice these examples and try to practice some more examples. You can explore in wherever, either net sources or with your own. Same concepts. Okay. So I'll stop here for the day, guys. So please practice and prepare well. Going forward, we will use some complex programs, oops concepts. Okay, inheritance and polymorphism, that kind of programs. So we are going to use array list and break statements. So please practice. Then only you will understand these topics. This is very much important. OOPS concepts. So all these are basics for OOPS concepts, guys. Object-oriented program. There are some concepts in OOPS. Okay, all these are basics for these things. So that's the reason I am taking much time to explain with a good example. Okay, guys. So thank you. Thanks for joining. Have a nice sleep. Good night. Bye.